All right, so guys, we are gonna go for a test ride on this beautiful one over here. I think you go to this thing right here. Go. Okay, so can you tell me a little bit? Can you tell me a little bit about this?
It's 255. I know. It's a 255 Ultra with a F300 digital. We got a 12-inch Garmin screen here. All your accessory switches here. Killer JL audio sound system. Wireless phone charger. Hard top with a mister system. Really nice boat.
Do you by chance know how much this one goes?
I want it. We gotta check with the sign, but I want to say it's 129.
Okay. How durable is this board, and how fast can it go?
This boat, pretty durable. Cuts through water, very nice.
How fast can it go? Yeah.
Speed. I think this one will do 50. We'll find out when we get out there.
Okay.
There's a full toilet in there. Removable cushions for the front.
Right.
Removable cushions for the rear. Just super nice boat.
Right.
Electric steering.
Okay. It's so cold out here. Oh wow. Do you have sound in it? Do you have music?
I can play it.
Okay.
That was a good one.
Station. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go.
So we're at Huddy Park and Water Boat Show. This is New Jersey Outboards. This is an 1801 Parker. It's a big 18-footer. It's more like a 20-footer. Comes with a trailer, Garmin, stereo, everything for under 50 grand. It's great value. It's a well-built boat. It's a little tiny fishing machine. It's built rock solid. Got some seats in the back, a leaning post, seats in the front. Perfect small boat, entry-level boat for somebody to get into. Crabbing, fishing, hanging out. All for $49,995. So you got your leaning post, you got your steering wheel, Fusion stereo, Yamaha digital gauges, a compass. storage in the front.
All these buttons right there.
All these buttons, yeah, these are for all your stuff. Bilge, raw water, bait well.
Okay.
So there's a bait well on the boat. Your raw water's right here. No bathroom on this boat, too small. This is a Parker 2520. It's got a 9'6" beam. It's about 33 feet from front to back with the pulpit and the windlass anchor. It comes with twin 150 Yamaha engines. You could do 200s as well. A huge Armstrong bracket on the back. Live well, fish box, rear folding bench seat. The fish box is right there. You can use it as a cooler or a fish box. Got all this fishing room here. There's a fishing machine. Oh, there we go. Edit that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit it. Yes.
Big walk-through door here in the transom. This is a second station steering wheel. You got a nice cabin. You can put a heater in here for the winter. People like to do cold fishing. Steering wheel, big Garmin, stereo. You got a toilet. And it's a little crowded, but there's a V-berth in here if you wanted to take a nap or something.
Right.
And you got your co-captain chairs and 2 passenger seats here.
What is used to make the chair like is it a leather chair or no leather or it has no specific?
These are suspension seats, so they have like a suspension so that when you bounce, you don't hurt yourself.
All right.
And there's a bolster seat here to stand up.
Okay.
Rocket launchers, spreader lights, everything you need to go hardcore fishing. We're at the Huddy Park In-Water Boat Show, New Jersey Outboards. One of the top Godfrey pontoon dealers in the world. This is a twin engine aqua patio. It's called a 256 SB, which is split bench. You got a fiberglass arch that is hydraulic. You can electrically put it down and up. The twin engines will get you up to 58 miles an hour. We had it. It's got an 8.6 beam, very comfortable boat. And we have a special deal on it this week. It should be $230,000. We're selling for $189,000. I'm here with the brand new Hurricane 2600 at the Huddy Park In-Water Boat Show. We're New Jersey Outboards. We sell Hurricane deck boats. This is a brand new model with 2 rear loungers. This is a white boat with a black bottom hull. It's got cognac interior. The big push on this boat is the difference is the layout and these seats here. You can lounge and you can go back and forth with the armor headrest like that. And there's plenty of room. You can carry 14 people on this boat. Bow is nice and big, and you can even get a bow filler to fill the whole thing in. It's got a bathroom. Great boat. It's got a wakeboard tower. It's one of our top sellers right now. Definitely a wife pleaser. Comes with a 300 Yamaha. And this boat will do about 45 to 50 miles an hour, no problem. And it's got a low draft. So for our waters here, you can go beach the boat and hang out in the water. This boat is, as seen with these options, is $139,000. Well, I mean, if you go and you price out boats in this category, 26 foot with 300 horsepower, a lot of the boats are going to be a lot more expensive than this boat. Probably $180,000 for like a Monterey or maybe even $200,000. This boat will ride better than it. So the hull design is very good. It's good in shallow water. It's It doesn't draft a lot. It was designed for an outboard, where a lot of the other boats were designed for inboard outboards, and they converted them to an outboard, which changes the entire engineering of the boat, changes the ride. It'll be a lot more of a pounder. Like I wouldn't buy, a lot of people buy Yamaha jet boats. They're expensive now. An equivalent of this boat is about $170,000. They're only good for 3 years. The warranty goes away. And then the jet drives are not good in salt water. They suck up everything on the ground. The ride isn't as good as these boats. So I would recommend this boat. It holds really good resale value. And it's just a great practical boat. And it's not too expensive when you compare it. So you get your value out of it. Okay, so this is a Godfrey Pontoon Aqua Patio. It's a 255 ULC, they call it, which is, that stands for the big U lounge in the back. You can hold a lot of people on this. It holds 16 people. It's got the biggest triple tube package you could get on the water. It's the highest pontoon boat off the water. It takes salt rough water like no other boat out there. I personally owned this boat last year. We're at the Huddy Park Boat Show with New Jersey Outboards. This is Vapor Blue with white pearl. It's got a white fiberglass arch that automatically goes down with a hit of a button. It's got one of the biggest bimini tops for an arch that you ever seen. You can even get one off the front if you want. Great interior, 10-year warranty on its whole top deck and a lifetime warranty from the deck down. It's one of the best values in boating, one of the best made pontoons, hands down. And this boat comes in, it's a dealer demo. We're giving it away for $120,000. So the way this boat works, there's an empty space here. You get a whole nother seat, just like that. There's a 2-pole rectangle table that goes here. So this is, they call it a changing room. It opens up and you put a porta potty under there and somebody could just, you know, do their thing. Yeah, this has a whole LED package. All the lights go red, green, blue, whatever you want. All the colors outside the boat and inside the boat. This is a cooling cup holder, so you keep your beverage cold. This is a bolster seat, so you can sit up high when you're driving for safety. And you got tower speakers right here. And plenty of storage. There's even USB on both sides for the passengers.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this show today. Coming away next week with a different thing, better thing, beautiful thing, something you have never seen before on this channel. This channel is all about classic luxury cars, boats, ships, everything that you can think of. We bring to you all the best on this channel. This is Yes America. Guys, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Anything you want to know about this boat, do you want to buy one, do you want to get one for yourself? Guys, all the details that you need is down below the description box. Just go in the description box and you are going to get all the information, contact numbers, how you can buy this boat, how you can get one of these for yourself. Thank you for watching. For yourself. Thank you for watching.